How to transfer money from Western Union to your Bkash in Bangladesh. To send international money transfer, you should firstly click on the official website of Western Union, because in this video we're going to talk about Western Union, and this is the Bkash, our recipient where we have to send the money. It is based in the Bangladesh. Now I will show you that how you can send money to Bangladesh with Western Union, Australia or any country. Now you can click on official website and then click on the send money to Bangladesh. Here you have to enter the amount that is in Australian currency right now. You can select any country you want, like if you're sending money from the US or any other country, you should select it in this menu. Now before doing this, you should register if you have not on the Western Union. If you have an account, you can log into your account directly from the right click on this application or website. Now, after logging into your account, simply click on the Get Started, enter the bank details or Bkash details, then confirm the transaction, and yes, you are successful.